Hi everyone, this is Ivy Holtquist today, and I'm going to show you just a brief introduction on how to use your TENS unit here. I just want to let you know if you've purchased it on Amazon, on the sales page, they actually do have instructions if you scroll down just a little bit. And those will be kind of step-by-step instructions. But today I'm just going to kind of show you how to quickly set up your TENS unit, and also just to show you kind of in relative size what the size of your unit should look like when it comes. So first of all, like I said, there are circle pads that come with this unit, the square pads, and then there are some larger pads such as this. But just to show you today, I'm going to use these small circular ones. And like I said, this one has two outputs, and what you'll do first is take your cord, and then you're going to undo that. And we're just going to put it in this channel up here. Okay. And then on the other end of that cord are these two outputs here. And we'll just take each of these and plug those in. And then you're going to place those on the area where you want to work. And today I'm just going to put them back here so you can kind of see where they would go. Just imagine them being on a muscle somewhere. And then at that time, you can go ahead and turn on your unit with the power button. And here we are, and it's going to kind of look like it's, there we go. All right, and as you can see, A over here is blinking, and then it has all of these different little modes, 6 major modes, and then there's about 4 in each one. And we'll keep it on that one for now. Number 1, and like I said, the one that it's on right now is my favorite. So if you simply wanted to start from here, over here on this side, you'll go ahead and press the plus button. And that's going to turn up the intensity, and you'll see that start right down here. And then you can go all the way up, or as much as little as you want. And like I said up here, it says 20, and that's the timer. And like I said, this one has a continuous timer. So you can just add up, and when it gets over 90, it goes to C, if you see right up there. And that means it's on continuous timer. And it will not shut off until it either loses power or you shut it off. Again, so I'll just change that right back by pressing the T button to a 2. Now, let's say you wanted to go ahead and change different modes. And I guess what you can do is within this one, there's 4 sub modes here. So you'll simply just press the down button, and that changed it to 2, into 3, into 4. Now, let's say you wanted to use B over here also, which is adding more of these. So you plug that in. I guess we'll shut this off here in the meantime. And there's the power button right there. I'll unhatch those. And on this one, I'm going to use some of the square pads. And I'm just going to plug those in again. And I'll show you, this is how if you wanted to work 2 separate muscle groups at the same time, having channel A and channel B, both in the outputs. Like I said, these are a little bit lower profile up here. Go ahead and hit the power button. Okay, and we have A blinking over here, and as you can see, it's on 4 for the mode. And you could turn that one up. And then over here is where you would turn up the intensity on B, which is over here. So that would be the square pads that I just put on. And turn those up. And that's as simple as it is to use. Now let's say you wanted to use one of these other ones over here. I'm going to go ahead and turn both of these down so that there's nothing, because sometimes changing them in the middle can kind of be painful. But see, I went over and it switched it to this one. If I go down, I can do any one of those. Hit over again, it goes over here. And like I said, these are the 6 major modes is what I would call them, and then there's sub modes in each one. And like I said, this number 1 is usually my favorite and the one I usually go with, but there's some other ones. Let's say you wanted to do 2, then you would simply just go click on this, and then turn it up on this side. And that's basically how you use it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Thanks.